Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now let's find the lock screen option. And as you can see, at the very first position we've got sleep options, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. What's more, we can set never, so this device will never black out. Now we've got 1 minute light. In order to change it, for example, in order to set 10 minutes, simply tap on the time you want to use. And as you can see, it immediately changes. It is visible right here, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.